If you're buying a used car from a private seller in Ontario, there are some specific steps you need to follow to make sure the purchase is legal and safe. The first thing you'll need is a Used Vehicle Information Package, or UVIP. This is a report from the Ontario Ministry of Transportation, and it costs about $20. The UVIP includes details like the car's VIN, make, model, year, retail sales tax requirements, and a bill of sale template. It also has tips on safety inspections. The seller must show you this package before you finalize the sale, and it's an important part of completing the transaction. Also, whether you're buying from a private seller or a dealership, you can use resources like OMVIC, the Ontario Motor Vehicle Industry Council. They help ensure buyers are treated fairly and provide guidance if something goes wrong during the buying process. When you agree to buy the car, the seller must provide a few key documents. You should get the vehicle permit, the signed application for transfer from the back of the vehicle portion of the permit, and the bill of sale from the UVIP. Make sure the bill of sale has the seller's name, signature, date, and the purchase price. These documents are essential to legally transfer ownership. In Ontario, license plates stay with the seller. This plate-to-owner system means you'll need to use your own plates or get new ones when you register the car. You cannot take the plates from the person selling the vehicle. Once you have the car and the documents, you have 6 days to register it at a driver and vehicle licensing office. You'll need to bring the UVIP, the vehicle permit, and the signed application for transfer. At the office, you'll pay the retail sales tax, which is calculated on either the purchase price or the wholesale value of the car, whichever is higher. You'll also pay for licensing fees, and then you can either attach your existing plates or get new ones with proof of your identity. In Ontario, the sales tax on used cars is usually 13%, either RST or HST. The tax is paid by the buyer when the car is registered in their name. There are some exceptions, like when you're transferring a vehicle to a family member as a gift, so be sure to check if any exemptions apply.